Hi, it's Dawn. Welcome back. I got my 6 Dixie cups out here to make dirty cups in. I've got my paint over here. I have silicone in the top 3 here, and it is the coconut milk hair serum with dimethicone. And I am just anxious to get started here. So I'm going to grab my black paint. Actually, this is black with a little bit of raw umber in it, just to warm up the black a little bit to go with these other warm colors I'm using. And I'm going to kind of pour these a little bit out of order, only so I have a little bit different mix of paint in each section on the canvas. Now this is going to take a minute or two, so I'm going to speed this up and I will be right back. Okay, that is pretty much the end of the paint that I had mixed up. I believe this is raw sienna, and there's only a little bit left, so I'm just going to put a little tiny bit in these last 2 cups, and that's it. On to the good stuff. Alright, we're going to get on to flipping these. Oh, I better move some of these. And here we go. And number 2. Oops, gotta slide that over. Number 3. Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's an accident waiting to happen. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. And not really room for this, so we'll set this one aside and we'll use it as a ribbon pour to fill in where we need to. Oh, that was a really poor flip and drag. However, oh, the paint's starting to roll off. I'll just tip this up a little. Don't want to lose all the paint before we're done. There we go. There are some cells already popping up. Look at the colors here too. Oh, look at the orange. Wow. There's such nice contrast between the black and the darker colors. Oh, I'm excited. This is going to be a really nice painting when it's done, I think. All right. Just let these cups drain a little bit. And then, do we tilt or do we use this ribbon cup? Now we'll leave that there for a sec. Need to move this paint around a little bit to get more of the canvas covered, but you know what? I think I'm going to put this last cup, I'm going to pour most of it out up here to fill in so that most of the tilting will be back towards me. I'm just filling in the little holes. I think I'm going to run right back over that ribbon just to break it up a little bit. There's a lot of bronze on top. All right. Now we tilt. I'm trying to do it slowly. It's not traveling evenly across here, so I'm just trying to catch it so more of it stays on while we're waiting for the rest of the paint to catch up. This side is almost done, so maybe we'll just give it a little bit of help. All right, and we'll get the corner done. There. And we'll move on up. I don't know if you can see, but there were some medium-sized cells there, and as the paint's moving, they're turning into bigger cells, so that's kind of neat. All right, this corner is almost done. Oh, wow. That whole side is pretty much done. Kind of snuck up on me there. Just these last two corners. There's still quite a bit of paint on the canvas. I don't know if you can see it moving. Let's get this corner. I'll try to get this bottom one. Oh, this is going to be a very, very striking painting, I think. There is such high contrast between the black and the oranges and the reds. All right. Now, I think I'm just going to fiddle with it, kind of. There's some lines there that run top to bottom, but they're a little crooked. Maybe we can straighten them out a little bit. Maybe stretch some cells. I do like this though. It's kind of nice. I've had some pouring disasters recently, so it's nice to have a really pretty one again. My, that's nice. Now the question is it done? Oh, yeah, that corner has a lot of bronze, and it's not broken up by a lot of other colors, so I don't know if we can tease some cells to form there or whether she just run it off the corner. I'm going to try to run it off the corner. It's nice when that's an option. Or maybe we can torch it and get some cells to pop there. Just because there's so much action with the changing colors through the rest of the painting, and then there's that bronze spot that just looks kind of bleh. But overall, I really like this. Lava keeps coming to mind, so I have no idea what I'm going to call this, but I wouldn't be surprised if lava was in the name, or fire, firestorms. Sure is pretty though. All right, well, I think I'm going to slip these gloves off, and then I'll grab the creme brulee torch. And yeah, just give it a quick torching, see if we can pop any more cells up. Although there is quite a few cells on it. Maybe bring up some little tiny ones. Well, there is a few popping up. So that's good. All right. Well, I'm going to finish torching this, and then I'm going to come back and show you a close-up. So, I'll be right back with that. And here is the close-up. There are many medium-sized cells with plenty of smaller cells, even inside the cells. There is great contrast between the black and the bright colors. And I am just in love with this piece. It came out so much better than I imagined, which is a nice change because, as I said before, I've had a few disasters lately, so it's nice to have something come together and actually look really, really good. Yeah, that is just so pretty. Sorry to go on and on like that, but I really do like it. I'll be right back with a still that shows the detail even more. And here's the still. Thank you so much for watching today. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. And if you're looking for me, well, check the channel art up top. There's a bunch of links up there, or you can just go to www.indigobohemianart.com. And before you go, would you mind clicking like? Because, you know, every time you click like, you save a baby unicorn. Yeah, that's why. No, it encourages me. And it's nice to know that people are watching and liking what I do. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.